Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Caspa. Looking at Caspa as we are going into Friday morning, you are starting to see some coins going into the green because of Bitcoin bounce from that 60K support once again. And you're actually noticing Caspa actually up 3%. And I know a lot of people are probably, like, wow, Caspa is finally moving. And again, some people might be like, why are you guys getting excited about a Caspa move of about 3%? Because, Caspa has been lagging over the course of the last 1 month, to be exact. A 1 month of continuous lag against the broader market. You're finally seeing a little bit of, bounce, which is, of course, really exciting to see. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening and, of course, what is yet to come. If you like these videos, do smash that like button. So looking at the price, 15 cents. That is great to see. As mentioned, up 2.8% in USD comparative, also up 3% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $3.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $32.6 million. But yeah, before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So starting off, let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. And I'm sure, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know the importance of the dominance index. Pretty much literally from October 1st, so 3 days back, you have seen the dominance literally go from 57% all the way up to 58.35%. And if you understand the dominance, this can impact altcoins in a negative way, especially with Bitcoin also going down. That's not something you want to see, but that's exactly what we saw happen. You can see Bitcoin had 3 different retests at this key support line as we started off, the month of October. A lot of the factors, obviously, to be considered, some external factors, as well as the sentiment about October being a great month for the crypto space, a lot of hype building up, and that's where, in the snap, whales come out and shake out the weekends, and that's exactly what we saw happen. But since then, we have seen a little bit of bounce within the price of Bitcoin, but it's really, really important for the price of Bitcoin to go back above $64,000. But nonetheless, let's take a look at Caspa. You can see Caspa from, the lows from October 1st. You have seen a little bit of a bounce within its price. And again, if you want to put this bounce into perspective now, Caspa is up about 7.45% since then. And as we are breaking now, you're coming across some key, and I repeat, key resistance. You can see this for yourself. You can make it up. Where we're currently finding resistance right now is where there is massive amounts of support before, but of course now it is playing as a level of resistance as we're trying to break out. But if we're able to break out of this key resistance, I think Caspa won't take long to get back into the 78.6 and potentially even start heading towards that 16 cents price point. So that would be really nice to see, of course, and start heading towards that key resistance. But as of now, we need to take it one step at a time. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Obviously, too many shorts piling up as well around the time of October 1st when we did see this dip. And again, there's a whale manipulation that can occur to really shake out some of these shorts that are piling up. Believe it or not, that does happen. So as of now, in terms of getting excited, I still think there's a time that we need to give ourselves before we can get excited. Pretty much you need to see that retest back above that key resistance, which we actually did just a week ago. If we're able to get back above this key resistance and have a retest up there, that could show us some positive momentum. Only a 15% move, to be quite frank with you. And I think this is quite achievable if Bitcoin were to turn things around. Even though we are seeing the dominance going up, I still think Caspa has what it takes to push up to this key resistance, but we cannot ignore, getting back into this resistance first, of course, which is the 78.6. We do have quite a significant amount of resistance, especially around 15.7 cents. But if it's able to get to that level, I do expect, we could see Caspa actually showing some strength within its price. But as of now, let's not get too ahead of ourselves, but we'll take that 7% gain. Let's see what happens. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. What do you think is causing the price of Caspa to lag like the way it has done so? And what are your projections on Caspa in the next few months to come? Where do you think the price of Caspa will be trading at the end of this year? So on December 31st, what is a Caspa's price going to be in your opinion? Let me know in the comments. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.